So this is the Harbor model. It's a four and a half, 2,400 square foot. And it's on a corner lot. The primary is downstairs, 3 bedrooms and 3 baths upstairs. A half bath down here as well for guests. 10-foot ceilings in here as well. Here is the half bath. Shiplap. There's going to be a framed mirror that will be installed here. And then you're directly into the primary. Very large. Lots of natural light. Eight-foot doors, interior doors in this home. Primary bath. That's your garden tub. Good lighting in here. Large floor-to-ceiling custom shower. Soap niches built in. Dual vanity. Nice cabinets. Get your custom framed mirrors with light fixtures. You got a big walk-in. Got your water closet. And then you got your stair landing. Then you got a shiplap accent wall in the main living space. Lots of room in here. Outlets everywhere. There's your floor outlet. Lots of windows, natural light. And then you've got your kitchen. 6-burner gas range. Beautiful granite. There's a bank of windows here in the dining area. Nice chandelier fixture. Plenty of room for a nice big table seating at least 8, maybe even 10. Stainless farm sink with the apron. And then you've got, this could be a dual pantry, extra pantry space. You know, but it could potentially put a fridge or a reach in here as well. You could put some uppers. And this is the dedicated pantry. So not a ton of pantry space, but this is built primarily for vacation rentals. So pantry space is not the premium here. Heads and beds. And then we have another closet here that is going to take advantage of the space under the stairs. That's where all the guests can put their empty luggage until it's time to leave. Really nice treads and matching handrail. It's all enhanced luxury vinyl plank flooring. Then you've got 3 bedrooms up, all with an ensuite bath. And then we have 2 closets, 2 additional closets up here that are for use for everybody in the house, or just extra storage. Bedroom number 1. With some attic storage over there. It's also got a closet These are the larger walk-ins that Truland usually puts in every room. Plenty of room to store stuff in there. Access to the HVAC. And then the ensuite bath. Same granite as downstairs. A framed mirror, just like downstairs. And you've got the floor-to-ceiling tile with the cast iron tub. And the soap niches. Then the next one, very similar to that last one. One window in the corner there. And the closet here. Another large closet. It's a walk-in. So this is more characteristic of what they normally have in a Truland home. In all of the bedrooms, a larger walk-in closet. Ensuite bath. Same granite, same cabinets. Really pretty. All the trim out is Craftsman. And then you've got this bedroom here, which is going to have a smaller closet, not as deep. This is a more traditional residential, non-primary bedroom closet size. And then ensuite here, a little bit of smaller bathroom. Linen closet. But it has the same cast iron tub and tile. So this is another great option. This particular plan is also projected to do between 95 and 105,000 in gross rentals. All these Truland homes have smart packages as well, so you can control the thermostat from anywhere. You can do all sorts of things. Garage door. Actually, I'm sorry. This does not have a garage. Let's take a look out back real quick. Really pretty tongue and groove. So these will all be home sites here and here. All of these ones that are on the ground are going to have the 4 spaces for each, directly in front of each house. And this particular one has some additional parking on the side in addition to the ones in the front, because it's a corner lot. I'll take some video of the back of this one.